So today's video is going to be about simultaneous linear differential equations part 2. So in this particular video we are going to see the simultaneous linear differential equations which are of the symmetric form. That means they are of the form dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r. So the equations which are given in this particular form, they can be solved in two ways. One is, the first way is called as method of grouping. So in this method, what has to be done is you have to consider a pair of fractions at a time and then you have to solve them for the independent solution. That means either you will consider dx by p is equal to dy by q, or you may consider dy by q is equal to dz by r, or you may consider dx by p is equal to dz by r. So you will form groupings and then you will solve for independent solutions. Okay, and the second method which can be used to solve the simultaneous linear differential equations of the symmetric form is called as method of multipliers. So the second form is called as method of multipliers. In this method, what we have to do is we have to multiply each fraction by a suitable multiplier such that the denominator becomes 0. So what is the meaning of this statement? Supposing, for example, A, B, C are the multipliers. Let us say that they are the multipliers. Then in this case, what we are doing, dx by p is equal to dy by q is equal to dz by r is equal to, now we are multiplying each of these. So a is being multiplied by the first fraction, then b by the second, then c by the third. So this is, and then we are going to add all this. So a dx plus b dy plus c dz divided by ap plus bq plus cr. So whether you are using the method of grouping or whether you are going to use the method of multipliers, but you are going to get two independent solutions. So the two solutions together, they will be the solution for the given symmetric simultaneous linear differential equations. So these two solutions, we can just write them as u is equal to c1, v is equal to c2, where c1 and c2 both are arbitrary constants. So we will now see how to solve a particular some problem by which is given in this form, which is the simultaneous linear differential equation, but which is given in the symmetric form. So now we are going to solve this sum, dx by z square minus 2yz minus y square is equal to dy by xy plus zx is equal to dz by xy minus zx. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take x, y, z as multipliers. We will take x, y, z as multipliers. So if we take x, y, z as multipliers, then we are going to get x dx plus y dy plus z dz divided by, now we will multiply each denominator also by x, y, z respectively. So we are going to get xz square minus 2xyz minus xy square plus over here xy square plus xyz plus xyz minus xz square. So this will be equal to x dx plus y dy plus z dz divided by, now you can cancel out all the terms. You see that all the terms are getting cancelled and we are getting this denominator as 0. So this implies that x dx plus y dy plus z dz is equal to 0. Now we are going to integrate this. So integrating, we will get x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2 is equal to, let us say, c1 dash. So what we can write this as, multiplying this 2 over here, we can write that the first independent solution is given by x square plus y square plus z square is equal to, let's say, c1. And then we are going to just call this as equation 1. Now for the second independent solution, we will take the last two members of the equation set. So last two terms in the equation are these two terms. So those two terms we are going to consider, and then we are going to solve those two terms. So the last two terms over here are dy divided by x into y plus z is equal to dz divided by x into y minus z. So this will imply that y minus z dy is equal to y plus z dz. Okay, and this implies y dy minus z dy plus y dz minus z dy is equal to 0. Right? Now this implies y dy minus, this can be written as d of zy minus z dz is equal to 0. So now what is remaining is we have to integrate. So after integrating, we are going to get y square by 2 minus yz minus z square by 2 is equal to, let us just call this as c2 dash. So then by just taking the constants to the right hand side, multiplying to the right hand side over here, we are going to rewrite this second solution, let's say v given by y square minus 2yz minus z square is equal to c2, and that is equation number 2. So together this 1 and 2, they give the solution of the simultaneous linear differential equation, which was given to us in the symmetric form. Now for practice, you can solve this sum